student. In previous class, we studied the chemical reactions of haloalkane, and today we study about the chemical reactions of haloarine. We know that this chapter is related with the haloalkane and haloarine. In previous classes, we discussed about the haloalkane, and today we study the reactions of haloarine. The reactions of haloarine can be classified in two categories. First is the electrophilic. First is the electrophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution, and second is the nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution. Electrophilic substitution and nucleophilic substitution. First, we discussed about the nucleophilic substitution. We know that if we take an example of chlorobenzene, C6H5 and Cl, C6H5 Cl, this is chlorobenzene, a type of haloarine, and the formula of chlorobenzene can be presented as Cl and a benzene ring. This is C6H5 and Cl. C6H5 and Cl. This is the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene react with nucleophile in nucleophilic substitution reaction and form the product. And the reaction can be presented as C6H5Cl plus NaOH and form the C6H5OH and NaCl. This is phenol. This is called the phenol, and this method is the method of formation of phenol with chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene react with NaOH. Here C6H5Cl is positive charge and Cl is negative charge, and here sodium is positive charge, and this reaction is the example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. And in haloalkane, when we read about the haloalkane, we read that this reaction Rx plus NaOH gives out ROH and NaX or RCl, or we can read this reaction like CH3 CH2Cl. This is chloroethane. Chloroethane react with NaOH and form C6H5Cl and C6H5. This is found at CH3 CH2Cl and NaCl. This is called chloroethane. Both of reaction means first reaction and second reaction. These two reactions are the example of nucleophilic substitution reaction, because here the attacking reagent is a nucleophile. Hydroxide and is a nucleophile which is act as attacking reagent. So this reaction is the example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. But here a most comparative study about these two reactions, the reaction of chloroethane means reaction of this is the haloalkane. Reaction of haloalkane perform easily means chloroethane easily react with NaOH and form ethanol. Chloroethane react with nucleophile means NaOH and form the ethanol, and similar chlorobenzene is also react with NaOH, but this reaction takes place in typical conditions, means chlorobenzene not easily react with NaOH. It react with NaOH in typical condition. Here we have the 300 atmosphere pressure, and near about 450 degrees Celsius temperature. Means this reaction takes place easily, not require these conditions. But in this reaction is easily. This is easily performed and form the ethanol. Means replace the OH replace the chlorine. But here OH not easily replace the chlorine. This reaction is performed is complete in the at the condition of 300 atmospheric pressure and 450 degrees Celsius. Now is this question why this reaction is performed in typical condition. So the reason is this typical condition of the reaction is seen or can be studied in the form of two conditions. Here we can see that the bond of the bond of the bond of C and Cl is stronger in haloarine. In haloarine means the CX bond of haloarine is more stronger than compared to haloalkane. Means haloalkane had CHCCl bond of haloalkane is weaker than the CCl bond of chlorobenzene or haloarine. Means this here the CCl bond is more stronger than the ethanol or chloroethane. And now the study of stronger bond of haloarine can be discussed on the basis of following three reasons. First, again we can tell you the bond of the CCl bond of haloarine is more stronger than haloalkane. मीन्स हेलोएल्केन का बॉन्ड वीकर होगा और हेलोएरिन का CCl बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्गर होगा, जिसे हम डिस्कस करेंगे यहाँ पे 2-3 पॉइंट से. फर्स्ट इसका जो रीजन होगा, द फर्स्ट रीजन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गर बॉन्ड ऑफ CCl इज द रिजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर. रिजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ हेलोएरिन or chlorobenzene. Here we take the example of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is present as Cl and the benzene ring. Here 3 pi bond. We know that benzene has 3 pi bond. 3 pi bond means 6 pi electron. And chlorine have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 lone pair electron. 6 chlorine have 6 electron and lone pair, and benzene ring have 3 pi bond as pi electron. We know that benzene have reuniting structure. And the pi bond are shifted between the 6 carbon in benzene. When pi bond is shifted to next carbon, then chlorine also donate their electron to benzene ring. Means lone pair electron of chlorobenzene also participate in the resonance of benzene ring. When this bond is shifted toward this carbon, the structure of chlorobenzene can be present as this bond is break and shift toward this carbon, so this carbon contain a pi electron with negative charge, and at same condition the lone pair electron of chlorine moves toward benzene ring, lone pair electron of chlorine moves toward benzene ring, and so chlorine became positive charge and double bond is formed between the C and Cl. Means an extra double bond is formed between carbon and chlorine. And at next step, this bond shift toward the this carbon, and these lone pair electrons shift toward between two this carbon, and the reuniting structure of chlorobenzene can be present as double bond shift here, and the negative charge comes toward this carbon with a lone pair. And here same, chlorine had carbon have double bond, and chlorine contain positive charge, and chlorine have two lone pair electron. And at next position, this bond shift toward this carbon, and these electron moves to here, and the reuniting structure of chlorobenzene is present as here chlorine have positive charge and a double bond between the chlorine and carbon. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 rejuvenating structure for chlorobenzene, and we seen that in both of structure carbon and chlorine are double bonded, and benzene ring contain permanent negative charge and chlorine contain permanent positive charge. So an extra attraction force is also work between benzene and chlorine, between benzene ring and chlorine. So this bond is in the form of double bond, and we know that double bond is more stronger. Double bond is more stronger than single bond. So the this CCl bond, this CCl bond is more stronger, and also we know that more more the rejuvenating structure of the molecule, more is the stability. मीन्स जितने ज्यादा रिजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर होंगे उस मॉलिक्यूल की स्टेबिलिटी उतनी ज्यादा होगी. और यहाँ पे हमारे पास 1 to 4 we have 4 rejuvenating structure for chlorobenzene, and the second reason of this strength of bond is can be discussed about the hybridization. We know that in chlorobenzene, in chlorobenzene, carbon is sp2 hybridized. Carbon is sp2 hybridized, and in halo alkane carbon is sp3 hybridized. Means in chlorobenzene or haloarine, means the carbon of haloarine is sp2 hybridized, where the carbon of haloalkane is sp3 hybridized, and the sp2 hybridized carbon or sp2 hybridized atom is more ionic than sp3 hybridized atom. sp3 hybridized atom, this is the most important point. sp2 hybridized atom is more ionic than sp3 hybridized atom, and in haloarine carbon is sp2 hybridized, means the carbon of haloarine is more ionic than haloalkane. The carbon of haloarine is more ionic than haloalkane. So the CCl bond of haloarine arene CCl bond of haloarene is more stronger than haloalkane. So we can say that the CCl bond of when react with NaOH, it want to typical condition for breaking of CCl bond in chlorobenzene or haloarene, and this condition is the 3 atmospheric pressure and 450 degrees Celsius temperature. Thank you.